Hi students, welcome back to Odelia Vlogs. Today we will complete our module 1 and today we are studying contributions of Chester Bernard and contribution by Peter F. Drucker. So first of all we can study the contribution of Chester Bernard. Bernard suggested social systems approach to management. His main contributions towards the management thought are first one, concept of organization. Bernard defined organization as a system of consciously coordinated activities of two or more persons. It's a social system that requires human cooperation. He has highlighted three characteristics of organization. Persons are able to communicate with each other, number one. Number two, they are willing to contribute to the action. And the third characteristic is there is a common purpose. Now, the second contribution towards management thought is organizational equilibrium by Chester Bernard. The organizational equilibrium is dynamic, not static, as demands and aspirations of individuals changes, and the organization has to cope with the dynamic situation. The equilibrium of the organization depends on the individuals working in it, also working in other organization, and the society as a whole. Third one is acceptance theory of authority, which is also known as bottom-up authority. Bernard gave a new concept of authority, which is termed as acceptance theory of authority, where he felt that authority should be from bottom to top. Next is functions of the executive. Bernard has identified three types of functions which an executive can perform, namely, first one, maintenance of organizational communication, securing essential services from individuals in the organization, formulating and defining organizational purpose. The fifth management thought given by Chester Bernard is formal and informal organization. An organization can be divided into two parts, formal and informal. The formal organization has consciously coordinated interactions which have a deliberate and common purpose. On the other hand, informal organization refers to those social interactions which do not have consciously coordinated joint purpose. But both the formal and informal organization depend on each other, and hence there is a continuous interaction between the formal and informal organization. Now, next we can go to the contribution given by Peter F. Drucker, who is an Austrian-born American management thinker who invented the concept of MBO and self-control. We can study in detail. The number one is management as a practice. Drucker treated management as a practice. Always management is goal-oriented. That's what Drucker said. Second one, functions of management. Drucker sees management through its task and points out three functions. First one is achievement of purpose and mission of the institution. Second one, make the work productive and the worker achieving. And the third one is effective management of social responsibility. The third and the most important contribution by Peter F. Drucker is MBO, or it is also known as management by results. MBO is an acronym for management by objectives. The process of setting objectives in the organization to give a sense of direction to the employees is called MBO. The MBO process leads to highly motivated and committed employees. The MBO process sets a benchmark for every employee. The superiors sets targets for each of the team members, and each employee is given a list of specific tasks which leads to self-control as he has to achieve the results what the manager has set. Second, that's the next point is organizational structure. According to Drucker, organizations are the backbone of modern society. He suggests that an enterprise should be organized for business performance. It should contain least number of authority levels. Organizations should facilitate the testing and training of future managers. That's a good contribution towards management by Peter F. Drucker. The next point is organizational changes. Drucker has visualized rapid changes in the society because of rapid technological development. Though he is not resistant to change, he feels concerned for the rapid changes and their impact on the human life. Normally, such changes can be absorbed by the organizations, but not rapid changes. It's difficult to be absorbed in an organization. That's what Drucker says. Now, this is the end of our module 1. Now we can start our module 2, which is planning, and I will teach you in detail in the next class. Thank you.